Alright guys, this is an SC Project GP-M2 exhaust for my 2014 Triumph Daytona. We are going to be going through this step by step. As you can see, I haven't even opened up the box yet, so we're going to do this together. Here's an official unboxing of my new exhaust. We'll do this. Maybe this is easier. Yeah, whatever. So let's see what we've got here. We've got some heat resistant stickers for the exhaust, and looks like some directions. Set that off to the side. Here's the new can. Some hardware. SC Project, Italian design, handmade in Italy. That looks to be about it. So that's it. Let's see about unwrapping this bad boy. Can you see? There we go. Let's check this out. I don't want to touch it with my hands. I am very excited about this. iPhone 10 quality here. There was only one option for this, which was the carbon fiber. So it'll go just like this, I guess. Ooh, I'm pretty excited to put this on the bike. I will upload another video of me putting this up later in the weekend. There's the baffle. The screw there to remove it. That's the first thing that's gonna come out for sure. Yeah, it's gonna make things a lot louder.